Well, first of all, we need 500 grams of chicken breast, so it's about 3 juicy chicken breasts, and we're gonna cut it ourselves in small pieces. We'll need a chopping board and a knife and our chicken. Our chicken we're gonna cut in pieces like this, nice bite size. I do like to get rid of any fats like this. Okay, this is how our chicken needs to look. Easy. 500 grams of chicken cut in pieces like this. Now we need to add half teaspoon of smoked paprika. We need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger. Next, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Just look at that color. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of extra spicy Cajun seasoning, or you can add some chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're gonna mix well. Make sure to distribute all the spices all the way through each piece of chicken, and it will taste so much better. So all your chicken is well covered. Mix well until all the spices are combined. We're going to leave our chicken for about 30 minutes while we're preparing the rest. We're going to start with 130 grams of flour. We're going to add 70 grams of corn flour. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, which we used before. 1 teaspoon of ginger, which we have used previously. Half of a teaspoon of Cajun spice, extra spicy, which we have used previously. You can use 1/4 if you're making this for kids. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which you have used previously. Half teaspoon of smoked paprika, which you previously used. 1/4 of black pepper. 1/4 of teaspoon of salt. All the spices with the flour mix well. Until combined. Next, we'll need 120 grams of flour in separate dish. We'll need 125 milliliters of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, sweet one, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1 egg. And we're gonna mix well. The best is to use one of those. If not, you can use a mixer. Hand mixer will be fine. Next, we're gonna get our chicken out and add our wet mixture to it. Next, we need to mix everything well. We have now combined all the ingredients, resulting in delicious chicken ready to be breaded. Now we're gonna put our chicken in a breadcrumb. If you wanted to make our breadcrumb flour more yellow, you can add some turmeric, but it's optional. It will make it more. We'll add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. every single piece of chicken needs to be covered in our flour.